All right, guys, welcome to another episode of Jekyll and Hydes. Today we got a really good one, right? We got the GTR Nissan, right? And this is a special one because this vehicle was not supposed to be wrapped initially. As a matter of fact, it was supposed to be wrapped, but it wasn't supposed to be wrapped like this, right? So we did what we do here at Jekyll and Hydes. When the customer came in, we kind of talked them into doing something a little more custom than it was before. So what you see is what we did, right? This is a combination. We did a full wrap from front to back, as you guys can see. This is a Tech green, right? With 3M satin black mixed in. So the design is done by Jekyll and Hydes, and the customer, I think, is gonna be really excited about seeing this. If you see the original color, which you're probably looking at right now, it was originally blue, right? It was originally wrapped in green. The original color is blue, and now we have a design mixed with green and satin black, all right? So you guys take a look at this. We did the full car, like I said, from front to back, and it is complete. It is ready to go. Guys, this car is looking very aggressive and really good, all right? So with that being said, if you guys are interested in getting any custom design done here at Jekyll and Hydes, such as the GTR Nissan, right? Come on down, let us do your vehicle. We'll get it done. William Magnum, Jekyll and Hydes, and like we always do, let's see what the customer thinks about his Nissan GTR. Got some green and black going on.